Thinking of renovating your home? Before you start tearing down walls or splashing out on your decor, let's talk about the most common home improvement mistakes you need to avoid. Whether you're doing a full renovation or a small refresh, these tips could save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Mistake 1. Not planning your budget properly. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is not setting a realistic budget. It's easy to get carried away with grand ideas, but costs can quickly add up. When budgeting, make sure to account for the obvious costs like materials and labor. But don't forget the little things: tools, delivery fees, or even meals out if your kitchen is out of action. A good rule of thumb is to set aside at least 10–15% of your budget for unexpected costs. That could be anything from discovering old plumbing issues to needing more paint than anticipated. Mistake 2. Skipping the permits and regulations. Next, let's talk permits and regulations. Depending on what you're planning, knocking down a wall, adding an extension, or updating electrics, you might need planning permission or to meet building regulations. Always check with your local council to understand what's required. The last thing you want is to complete your dream renovation only to find out it doesn't meet safety standards or requires costly adjustments. Plus, having all the right paperwork can also make things easier when selling your home down the line. Mistake 3. Choosing the wrong materials. Another pitfall is choosing the wrong materials. That bargain flooring might seem like a great deal, but will it withstand the wear and tear of everyday life? It's important to think long-term. Invest in quality where it matters, such as flooring, worktops, and bathroom fixtures, which take a lot of daily use. It's also worth considering the style and longevity of your choices. Classic designs often outlast trendy, cheaper alternatives, saving you money in the long run. Mistake 4. Ignoring the flow and layout. Focusing only on aesthetics and ignoring the layout and flow is a common mistake. A beautiful home that doesn't function well won't feel right. Think about how you use the space daily. Is there enough natural light? Can you easily move between rooms? Are appliances in the right place? Sometimes, small changes like repositioning furniture, adding extra lighting, or changing door swings can significantly improve how a room works. Mistake 5. DIYing beyond your skill level. Finally, be honest about your DIY skills. While doing it yourself can save money, tackling jobs beyond your expertise can lead to mistakes that are costly to fix. Electrical work, plumbing, and anything involving structural changes should be handled by professionals. Even something seemingly simple like tiling can go wrong if not done correctly. Get quotes, ask for recommendations, and don't be afraid to get a second opinion. So there you have it, some of the most common renovation mistakes to avoid. By planning your budget carefully, understanding the rules, choosing the right materials, and knowing your limits, your home improvement project can be a success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone you know who's about to start a renovation. Happy renovating!